Hi guys, thanks for stopping by. I have another awesome reveal for you guys today. This is from the Kids Christmas Happy Meal swap. Um, and oh, give me 1 second because I made it too big. So I'm just showing you the names over and over and over again. But these swaps are from Natalie and Carter. They are the granddaughters of Alicia, which is Little Paper Crafter. And I'm sure you all know Alicia, but so this swap was a make two get two, and so the girls between them both made two, and then they will receive two back. And you had to make a Happy Meal box, a burger box, a fry box. It was not required, but some people put a drink in even. And you had to, like, you filled the boxes with the crafter's choice items that you made, and then you had to have a store-bought goodie and a sweet treat. And so we're going to see what's inside here and see what the girls made. First up to bat is going to be Natalie. She is the older one of the girls, and yeah. Oh my gosh, Natalie, look at this. Okay. I guess not look at this because Natalie knows what it looks like, but Natalie made this one, you guys, and I'm just like stumbling over my words because it's so cute. I'm just like floored by how awesome you guys are doing. Okay, so I will hopefully be able to recreate the bow that was on that bag, but she has her pattern paper up here. She put a bow, a gemmy, a little snowman girl, and she's like a felty or whatever. This is so cute. And then she put a snowflake. She has some further gemmies up here. And then she put trim on the top with this little holly leaves, I think it's called. And then this gorgeous rosette. It might be one of Eb's rosettes. And this beautiful die cut. She added a little bow tie to him. And then he's got his antlers. Another little snowflake right here. And then look, even on the back she put paper too. Oh my gosh. This paper is like so cute too. Alright. Okay, and then... Oh, did you put Velcro too? Okay. Oh yes, it is paper. Okay, anyways. Alright, so... inside... Let's get the fry box first because I think it's the easiest. Holy moly, this fry box is huge. Okay, so it's this gorgeous pink glitter paper, like extra girly. Hold on, we have a blowout. Alright, so it just fixed itself right now. Look how cute this is. So she has this fun little clip, and it's like another felty with embroidery on it, like the snowman. Super duper cute. It has ribbon on the clip, and then she has this gorgeous little cup that I think she colored herself, and it looks so cute. It's like totally pastel Christmas. These fun little snowflakes, and this cute little peppermint here. And look how sparkly it is. So cute. Okay, so when it was fixing itself, whoops, I don't know how that glue got there. Or this tape. Okay, disregard. Okay, so I had taken all these out, and look at all of this that she sent. Oh my god, these are adorable. Ah, look! They're so cute. It's a little Santa and a little snowman, and they're lollipops. The kids are going to love, love, love these. These are so cute. And then there's this fun little Pop It toy thing, and it has beads on it. Okay, hold on. I take it. Okay. It has these cute little beads on it. Look at that. And it has like Pop It toys on here. That's so fun. And then, oh look, she sent another one of those little snowman clips. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be so cute in somebody's stash. It's like so easy and it's beautiful and awesome. And then I've never seen one of these before, but I think it like sits, like sticks onto something like this, and then it has like squishies in it. Do they go in? Oh, they actually go in, and then you can pop them back out. But it's like a Pop It, but it's squishy itself. See? And then when you want to pop them back out, you just squish it. Oh my gosh, I could squish this for a long time. This is so cute. Somebody is going to love this. And so I'm just going to put all of this back in here. Okay, and I think this is her goodie, and she has included some cute little nails for her friends, some friendship bracelets, or actually a kit, so that they can craft their own item. And then look at this bag topper. Wow, 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 wow. This is gorgeous paper. And then she has added this cute little flower, a little like embroidered flower. It's like all layered up. And then another little cute bow right here. So adorable. You guys did Natalie, you did a great job. Oh wait, there's more. I'm forgetting. Okay, so then this is her burger box. No peeking, but we're gonna take a peek anyways because I don't listen. So, oh my gosh, what is this? Is this like clay or something? I have no idea, but she has it all coordinated with her pastel Christmas. She's got this beautiful eyelash trim all the way around, like snow or something. And then she has snowflakes up here. She made a ruffle to go underneath. And then, did you sew this? What? Look at this. Wow. It's like a rainbow metallic thing that she like sewed on top of her pattern paper. And then it says no peeking, which also matches with her theme. And I think she put stickles the whole way around. Okay. She put stickles the whole way around. Look at that. How fun. Awesome. Okay, let's open it. Oh no, the little latch came undone. Okay, so, ooh, look at this. She included some candies in here, popping candies, chocolate, and then she has these cute little foam pieces for you guys, so you can have in your stash, or you can send more Happy Mail. And then she has this fun little toy. Ooh, what is this? Okay, you know, as the host, I do have to test these types of things to make sure that it's good for the kids. What? This is so fun. Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh my gosh, it's like a never-ending toy thing. This is so fun. Oh my gosh, so fun, so fun. Okay, wait, maybe I should put it this way, I think. Hold on, stop moving. It like wants to keep being played with, you know, like it's like, but I do this and I do that and look at me. Sorry, rambling. And then in here, is this a candy? This is so cool. Where did you find this? This is so fun. It's a lollipop light bulb, you guys. What? Oh my gosh, that's so cool. That is so cool. I have never seen these. That's so fun. You made a great swap, Natalie. Like everything was perfect to your theme, and it like was perfectly coordinated. Oh my gosh, how am I gonna fit this back in here? Okay, I'll figure that out. Be right back. All right, next up to bat is Carter. And just so you guys can kind of see this. Amazing. And she has her little goodie here. Okay, so just so that you can take it all in. And this is the younger sister, you guys. So just wow, right? But look, she's got a little clippy too. She like went with like a red and white theme. And it has Santa. She has this beautiful bow with a what do you call it, a gift bow on top, and then some red pom-pom trim that goes like perfectly with her paper and everything. And then she has 2 U's stamped here, and she colored it in. She added this cute little leaf here. Looks like she decorated a gingerbread and put him on this gorgeous rosette. Sorry, I keep saying she has this cute little cabochon here with a cookie, and it's just so beautiful. Really, really nice. Alright, so we are just going to take this little clippy off, and okay. Alright, let me... Okay, so in here, ooh, look at these. Very cute. Okay, she has like these cool shaped styrofoam thingies. And so her sweet treat is also one of those light bulb lollipops, but it's a green one. And I'm just going to leave it in there so that I can try to fit this in exactly how it came, because the last one was kind of difficult. So look at this. She has this cute little box here, and it says gifts from Santa Claus. She's colored it in pink and purple. She has these cute little Christmas trees here, and then she has some lollipops as well, and this cool little, what is it, one of those little toys. Look at that, that's so cute. And then a little Christmas tree in there. These are so cute. So cute. And I love this paper. Like, I love the candy cane stripes. Extra super cute. And then Carter has made us a gingerbread burger box. This is so cute. Okay, hold on. I think the glue tried to keep all the shred on top. And then she has put this cute little dingy with a bow on top, and she's added a candy cane. So appropriate for gingerbread. Look at this. How cute is that? And then she added in here, oh my gosh, some candies and some little foam stickers. And they're all glittery. They're super duper cute. There's a chocolate in there. And there is one of those endless toys. These are so cool. Okay, and then alright, and so I will put this back together and be right back. Alright, and then for her goodie, she sent this adorable bag topper with these gingies and a bow. And then she sent some Uno Go cards and a Nerf Frisbee thing. That is so fun. Thank you so much, girls, for joining. And thank you, Alicia, for helping the girls. You guys did an amazing, amazing job. And thank you, everyone, for watching this video. I'll catch you on the next one.